Hey there, it's Odessa Kyleman with eXp Realty. I am here in North Phoenix with another home tour for you. So, welcome to this beautiful home. So when we walk in this home, the first thing you're going to notice is that it is open and bright inside. So behind me is an office, and then there's a main level with the kitchen, master bedroom, and access to the garage, as well as the living room, a patio with amazing views. Then we go downstairs for the first guest bedroom, down a couple more stairs, and you have another living room, bedroom, bathroom, the works. So let's go ahead and take a look around. A beautiful view even on a cloudy Arizona day. The large patio, lots of recessed lights, which is really nice. The backyard, the large covered patio, pavers, fire pit, and barbecue. The walk-in closet with a laundry room, beautiful guest bathroom, bedroom number 3 with great high ceiling, also a walk-in closet, and then a large downstairs living room, which would probably work fantastic as a theater room or a great room. Alrighty, so that is the walkthrough of this home. We are at 14th Street in Union Hills in North Phoenix. So that is near the 101 and the I-17 exchange. From that corner, you're going to be just a little bit south and a little bit east of there. So you have access to a lot of the Phoenix Valley. This is a great location if you do need to commute around a lot, because you do have both freeways really close by, and the 51 is not very far away. So easy access to Scottsdale as well. So we are in the community called the Stone Mountain Preserve. This property has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus an office. This property is currently listed at $1.25 million, and it's 3,410 square foot. Quite a bit of square footage here, and I really do feel it in this upstairs living space. It's a nice space, but a lot of the square footage is in that downstairs rec room. It could also be a second living room, theater room. That is a really big room. Now, we do have 4 different levels in this home. So when we talk about pros and cons, I love the smooth finishes. I love what they chose for the counters, the cabinetry, the flooring. All of the finishes in this house are amazing. And that view, it's right here outside the living room. It's very private. These are some of the amazing things about this house. You have a guarded community gate, security gate, so you put in your code, you can get in for your guests, for yourself. You probably have a clicker. The views outside are gorgeous. There's no obstruction to the views. There's a tree I can see the tops of, but really not that big of a deal, and a nice big patio. Also, you have your office right by the front door, your living room, and your master suite on the same level with your kitchen. Now, the cons is that we are hillside, and being hillside, you do need to go down some stairs to get to the second and third bedroom, as well as the guest bathroom and that larger rec room. So for somebody that's living where the owners have basically their level, everything you need is right here. And then if you have older kids and they're downstairs, that could actually be perfect because they can have their own bathroom, their own 2 bedrooms down there, and their own basically teen living room with access to the backyard versus the adults are up here on the patio. So if that is your living situation, it could be absolutely perfect. Having that office up front is also fantastic for all of us that are currently working from home. So there is an HOA here. It's only about $670 a year. Because it's gated, you're going to have some maintenance inside. There's going to be community landscaping, there's going to be the gate, the streets, things like that. And that's what those dues are probably going to pay. I hope you enjoyed the home tour and also the little extra at the end, the pros, the cons of this particular house. It's something that you often don't see. And as a realtor, that's where we provide value. It's not just in opening doors, it's in giving you our opinions based on what we see. It's a different point of view. It's just one of the ways we offer value to our clients in this industry. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to our channel for more home tours, commentary, market updates, and buyer and seller how-tos. This is Odessa Kyleman. I am here to help you with all of your home buying needs. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.